We are making this maple cream pie. I will start with the custard. And so I do my custard, I take kind of a cheater approach.
Oh,
I put everything in the same, I don't do the, you know, the whisking of the
And tempering, no
yolks
tempering.
I don't mess with that.
What do you need me to do
You're like
here?
the James Dean of baking.
I like that.
I make it
rebel.
a little simpler. So I'm just
like
doing
it.
cornstarch and egg yolks in my pan.
Am I whipping
First,
this?
You're gonna whip this cream for our final pie. And I don't put any sugar in that because the pie itself is so sweet, so.
Okay.
I'm timing
Good
it.
luck, man.
I'm timing you.
I'm glad you got that.
You don't
Chef.
want to do it too fast because you break up the curds.
It's true. Okay, so now that's nice and smooth. I'm gonna add my milk, whole milk,
There you go.
and then also a little cream.
I love this. I love that you're not tempering.
No, I don't do any of that. I even put the butter in. A friend of mine developed this pastry cream recipe that basically has everything in it at once, and we all realized, we're like, oh, this works great, and it's so much easier.
I think half of the French technique was just breaking your chops to
That's
get you
right.
to
Yeah,
I
I would
swear
agree
to God,
with you
I
on
take
that.
shortcuts all the time.
Yeah.
What was that last thing you put
like
in here? Was
hazing.
it just salt?
Salt, just salt.
Okay.
It's
Kosher
actually
salt.
hazing. It's a form of hazing.
Well, my grandma has recipes where I watch her make it. It's like, please temper, and she doesn't. She just blends everything together.
No, they
in the
never
blender,
did, right?
And it works.
Yeah, they got a magical hand almost,
Yeah.
right?
I forgot the most important ingredient, which is the maple syrup. And this is just 1.5 cups of maple syrup that we've reduced down to 3/4 of a cup because basically.
Oh, wow, so it's like super amber.
Exactly. So now all I have to do is bring this up to a boil, let it boil for a minute so that we can get that cornstarch to thicken and that you don't taste it. It looks beautiful. And the other good thing is that we're gonna strain it. So that's why I put everything in at once because
Who cares?
who cares? Let's just make it easy. That's the thing, I think people are afraid of baking because there are so many rules, but it turns out you can break a lot of them. It should be fun.
You know, Jeezy, you know me so well. I was trying to behave with the guest here.
Oh, look at that.
it's all
move.
about.
I like that.
This? Okay.
You bake. She bakes.
You want this any heavier than this? Or
No, I like it loose like that. So this is my pre-baked pie crust.
It's so pretty.
This has walnuts in it.
Okay,
So
well,
I grind walnuts up in with my regular flour and butter, salt, water mixture. I love walnuts because they add, you know, obviously they add sort of a bitter,
Beautiful.
savory edge, but then also they make the crust burn if you're not careful. So you just
Yes.
have to pay a little
Lot
more
of oil.
attention. Yeah, exactly. We throw the wax paper on the top
using a wax paper.
to prevent a skin from forming, and now we top it with our cream. And I like it nice and loose, just like you did it.
Awesome.
And I don't sweeten it. I mentioned that before because the pie is so sweet.
Yeah, maple syrup is. It's
You don't need any sweetness.
This is so beautiful.
Thanks. Let's slice it.
Look at that.
Where's that little serrated knife? So this was chilling for at least 4 hours, but you could, if you had company, you could make it in advance.
This is sure to be a new fan favorite. Thank you, Samantha.